Welcome to Natural Healthcare and Wellness. In this video, we will show you some of the benefits of baking soda for your skin, hair, and body. While baking soda is a common household ingredient, have you ever considered using it in your beauty routine? While this may seem absurd, baking soda has a plethora of skin benefits. Due to its alkaline nature, it contributes to the balance of your skin's pH levels, resulting in a radiant glow. Additionally, it aids in the exfoliation of dead skin cells, revealing youthful skin. Here are the benefits you can use baking soda to help your hair, skin, and body. 1. Eliminates acne scars. Acne and pimples do not have to be treated with harsh chemicals. Baking soda is an excellent solvent for this. Because baking soda kills germs and reduces swelling, it can effectively treat both the symptoms and underlying causes of acne and other breakouts. Additionally, baking soda helps maintain the skin's acidity and prevents breakouts. 2. Whitens discolored teeth. There are hundreds of homemade teeth whitening recipes available online, but baking soda remains one of the most popular. Baking soda is a necessary component of teeth whitening products, due to its gritty texture's ability to effectively remove surface stains. As such, several teaspoons combined with water or lemon juice can be used as a homemade teeth whitening solution. 3. Soothe and relieve sunburn blisters. It's a good idea to keep a box of baking soda on hand during the summer. The alkaline nature of baking soda makes it ideal for soothing sunburns, as it relieves the burning and itching. Additionally, it can help speed up the healing process of sunburn blisters. 4. Relieves skin rashes. Baking soda is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Due to its alkaline properties, it can aid in the drying out of the skin, relieving itching and swelling associated with skin rashes. Make a paste of coconut oil and baking soda and apply for 4 to 5 minutes. This can be used twice daily to provide soothing relief. 5. Eliminates body odor. Baking soda can be used to eliminate even the most obnoxious body odor. It is one of the most natural methods of eliminating odors. It aids in the collection of sweat from the skin and the destruction of bacteria that cause the body to smell. 6. Eliminates dandruff. Although getting rid of dandruff can be difficult, especially in the winter, but it's possible. If you take good care of your hair, dandruff is easily eliminated. Baking soda is one method for removing white flakes from the scalp and hair. It cleanses the scalp and aids in the removal of flakes. Apply 1 tablespoon of baking soda to wet hair and scalp. Allow it to sit for a minute, and then thoroughly rinse it out with water. This should be done only once a week. 7. A natural cleanser. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, which aids in the softening of sebum and debris on the face. Additionally, it cleanses and opens pores and absorbs excess oil, assisting in preventing pores from clogging. 8. Deodorant substitute. Over the years, we've learned how dangerous certain chemicals can be, chemicals found in everyday products like deodorant. Due to the fact that baking soda absorbs odors, a small amount applied under the arms will neutralize any odors. Before applying this tip, test a small amount on your skin to ensure there is no reaction. Mixing a small amount with water is the best solution to use before applying it under your arms. There you go, there are many reasons to have some baking soda in your home, or with you at all times. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to notify you on our next video. From us, Natural Healthcare and Wellness. Goodbye and see you in the next video.